Hogs Drone Power Racers. Tips and tricks. The drone features a self-righting cage that allows it to bounce off walls and flip over to upright in the event of a crash. And if you want to pull off some sweet drifts, use the right stick when driving to make your turns. The right combination of throttle on the left stick and the perfect rotation will have you turning at max speed. Once the drone ejects, give it a few seconds before taking off for the gyro stabilization to calibrate. It'll result in a much smoother flight. And if you found your own great tips and tricks, share them in the comments. Experience the thrill of racing and flying with the Hogs Drone Power Racer. To learn more, watch the next video and don't forget to subscribe.
Recoil is a video game brought to life. Equip your laser weapon and turn any neighborhood into a virtual battlefield. Throw grenades, collect supply drops, and call in airstrikes. 3D audio puts you in the middle of the fight. Stop pretending and start playing. Recoil, the world is now game. Starter set includes 2 recoil laser weapons and Wi-Fi game hub.
Hey, can I play?
Okay, toss it up. Now change things. You just double tap it. Here, let's do water balloons. Caught it too hard.
It's there!
I'm detecting incoming enemies.
Your power could never be equal to mine!
Today, we will crush the resistance.
Hold. While I confirm your authorization. Identification sequence completed. Awaiting orders.
Patrol the perimeter.
Yes, Commander. Commander, sensors indicate targets in the area.
Approach the target.
Copy. Beginning tactical advance. Getting eyes on target. Locked on.
In video games, even virtual reality, you are merely a player in a world that is not your own. Supersuit lets you become you in a world limited only by your imagination. Forged from technology light years away, powered by the energy inside you. Get ready to dawn. The Supersuit. Supersuit is the world's first wearable gaming platform and uses new sci-fi technology to communicate suit to suit, so they work anywhere. The Super Vest is its power core. It lights up, makes sound, and has haptic feedback letting you feel when you get hit. The Super Glove is the tool to activate special abilities. Its engaged gesture technology gives you the power to unleash shockwaves, generate force fields, and much more. Inside every suit is a special super bot, which act as allies boosting your defense. Zap your opponents, or be the goal of the game. Stocked full of a variety of games at launch, gives Super Suit the ability to be experienced single or multiplayer. Like in Super Suit's take on Capture the Flag, the suit's bots become goals sought after by opposing team members. And in its flagship strategy game, Robin Hood, players use the Super Suit's give and take features to steal resources from the rich team and give them to the poor team. With Super Suit, the more you play, the more powerful you become. Instead of leveling up a character, you level up, rewarding you with new powers and gestures as your abilities increase. And tracking those powers is done in the app, where you can monitor current level, compare scores and active minutes, and download new games. Inside Super Suit exists a new world of gaming. Get ready to unlock your potential. Get ready to don the Super Suit and live the game.
Hexbug BattleBots are back! You can dominate the BattleBots with Minotaur's Drum Spinner versus Beta's Pulverizing Hammer. Now with 4-channel remotes, you can fight all 4 BattleBots at once. Bring the battle home. Hexbug BattleBots, each sold separately.
Can you master $1 million? Pick your color and start balling on your way to $1 million. And with the app, check the leaderboard in real time. You can bounce and trounce friends around the world. How long will it take you to master $1 million? Master $1 million by Jack's Pacific. Ask parents' permission to download.
Available now at Smith's Toys Superstores.
Silverlit Robot presents Kickerbot. Get ready for the most exciting robotic sport games with Kickerbot. Play football and bowling games. Steer your robotic team to victory. Do dribbling tricks and score goals. Play collector race, collect all mini-bot. Play score race, get the highest score. Kickerbot by Silverlit Robot.
Monkey Overdrive is the world's most intelligent battle racing system. These aren't just cars, these are robots programmed to battle on tracks you construct in seconds. control them with your smart device, and take down opponents in a variety of game modes. Your experience with Anki Overdrive starts with construction. Open the box and build one of 8 battle tracks quickly and easily. From there, the Anki Overdrive app handles everything else, from getting you connected to teaching you gameplay, so you can start playing immediately. The more you play, the more weapons and upgrades you unlock for your cars. By equipping new weapons, special items, and upgrades, you can customize each of your cars to make them your own. There are over 350 different weapons and upgrades for you to unlock and discover. And that's just the starter kit. Once you've mastered the basics, take your game to the next level by adding more track pieces and supercars. Just like choosing maps in video games, how you build the track has a big impact on gameplay. Anki Overdrive offers a ton of ways to play, like a multi-hour campaign with over 25 AI commanders for you to compete against. You can go it solo, or team up with friends for cooperative play. Want to play by your own rules? Head into Open Play and choose from one of 5 game types. And your experience doesn't stop there. App updates keep the gameplay fresh, bringing you new features and functionality. Anki Overdrive. It's easy to pick up and nearly impossible to put down.